series. The M240 series, a heavy hitter on the left. Facing off against it, the PKM series on the right. The system's roles include mobile carriage, a prepared support position, and vehicle mounting for versatile deployment.
The convergence of tactical capabilities leads to a single, unified solution. Versatility ensures combat effectiveness in any environment.
The M240 series, introduced in the late 1970s, originally served as a vehicle-mounted weapon in the U.S. Army.
The PKM is a versatile, belt-fed general-purpose machine gun designed for portability.
The M240 and PKM series represent distinct approaches to similar needs. Both achieve exceptional rate of fire and durability.
The FN mag lineage, represented here by the M240 series, and the Soviet PK lineage, represented by...
Understanding the requirements begins with doctrine, moves to logistics, and defines the final intended role.
Welcome. Today, we begin our analysis of the M240 and the PKM series machine guns. Let's delve into their historical contexts and key features.
Analyzing the Western branch highlights its advancements. Now, shifting to the Soviet branch, we observe contrasting engineering approaches and their historical impact.
Analyzing the lineage of historical designs,
The M240 series represents the pinnacle of modern FN mag design. Its modularity and adaptability for the M240, or FN mag, introduced in 1958, marked a significant advancement in machine gun technology.
The yellow line traces a route from the continent to the United Kingdom, arriving at its destination here, marking the 1961 service milestone.
Analyzing the technical specifications of these concepts. This one has a higher rate of fire, but this design offers better ergonomic stability. The M240 machine gun, designated as the CHAR M-Score M240, represents the culmination of the mid-1970s U.S. armored...
The M240 series infantry configuration. Notice the features highlighted on the technical schematic, providing infantry support.
The M240 series represents structure and mass, while the PKM series excels in external layout and durability. The M240 and PKM series are both general-purpose machine guns. The M240 features higher structural...
The M240B machine gun weighs 27.6 pounds, indicated here. Its durability is represented by the M240B on the left, the modernized, lighter M240L on the right.
Analyzing these three pillars, reliability, carrying burden, and logistics, is crucial for modern defense. These elements are deeply interconnected.
The M240 series machine gun offers unparalleled versatility, compatible with ground support, tripod mounting, and
The initial material choice directly influences manufacturing complexity. It also impacts service life and Analyzing the thermal load on the M240 and the PKM reveals critical heat management requirements, specifically at this key stress point here. The M240 and the PKM exhibit distinct thermal signatures, even when unloaded.
The simulation begins inside the barrel. Heat conducts through the metal. Thermal energy escapes into the air.
Analyzing logistics for these two abstract cartridges confirms supply chain readiness through the standardization network.
This is the M240 serial machine gun, utilizing the 7.62 by 51 NATO cartridge standard. Note the unloaded status for identification. Analyzing the seamless integration of vehicle logistics and storage capacities, this network optimization is crucial for efficient operations.
The M240 offers exceptional versatility. Its shared logistics and family commonality allow seamless integration across a wide range of platforms.
The PKM series exhibits shared logistics with its family lineage, allowing integration across infantry and vehicle platforms.
Analyzing the differences between the M240 and the PKM in a modern infantry setting. Welcome to our analysis of modern machine guns. We'll compare the capabilities of the M240 series to the PKM series and their roles in various unit compositions.
This node illustrates the M240 machine gun and its generic crew, branching towards the weapons squad and machine gun team.
Supported ground configuration. Vehicle mounting. Remote weapon station integration.
The PKM series, a modern adaptation of the Soviet PK, represents a versatile family used as a portable machine gun as ever. The M240 and PKM series machine guns represent different lineages that share common operational roles. Analyzing the doctrine, we connect personnel with ammunition crates, transport icons, and essential maintenance support. This ensures operational efficiency.
The PKM provides exceptional firepower, with inherent portability benefits facilitated by its compact design.
Analyzing the M240 and PKM series machine guns, we see clear differences in their hardware and organization. However, they share fundamental logistical requirements. Analyzing the M240 and PKM series machine guns, we look at mass, durability, portability, and logistics. The M240 features greater durability, while the PKM offers superior portability. Consider mass and family commonality in this comparison. The M240B style machine gun weighs 27.6 pounds. Its solid steel frame contributes to its significant...
Analyzing the M240L style machine gun. Key features: 21.8 pound published weight, simplified titanium material, and specific mass distribution.
This data clearly illustrates the advancements in our service life and carrying burden capabilities. Note the significant improvement in reliability. The M240 series offers robust training and supply chains within its platform architecture. In parallel, the peak will analyzing the core requirements, logistics, and engineering trade-offs of the mission. Analyzing the four key axes: mobility, structural endurance, platform integration, and logistics commonality. Note the interconnectedness.
The M240 series on the left and the PKM series on the right. Both represent robust institutional machine platforms.
The M240 series is known for reliability, but faces modernization challenges, while the PKM offers low manufacturing cost and is widely produced. The M240 series here shows a trajectory of continuous modernization, while the PKM series reflects a different life. The M240 machine gun, originating in the late 70s for vehicles, has evolved through infantry service, analyzing the new material properties requires precise manufacturing adaptation and stringent quality control protocols. The replacement path is a linear projection, while the modernization path interacts with the institutional network of platforms and procurement. The PKM platform forms three distinct branches: portable, armored carrier, and tank-mounted. Technical polo shirt.
The M240 and the PKM, two peer machine guns with shared origins. Explore the
The modernization pathway presents lower risk, but yields fewer institutional benefits. We must consider the replacement. The M240 and PKM series machine guns both serve critical roles. While the M240 boasts the early development curve establishes the foundation, reaching a mature architecture plateau. Incremental modernization nodes expand functionality. The M240 and PKM, while distinct in origin, share similar lifecycle considerations regarding integration and modern service requirements. The M240 and PKM series machine guns represent different modernization paths. Each system is unpresented with the standardized optical interface on the M240 allows for immediate attachment of aiming systems. Note the precise alignment requirements. The M240L offers integrated interface zones. Observe the optical interface for sighting systems. Analyzing the core architecture and external interface leads us to sensing equipment and the final platform integration. The system functions as a unified whole. This lineage node is the foundation. We have ground, lightweight, mounted, and aviation roles available. The PKM series represents a modernized evolution of the PK lineage. Note the streamlined receiver and the advanced barrel design. This infographic illustrates the current family roles of the PKM series machine gun, highlighting its adaptability across various platforms.
The core proven architecture integrates seamlessly with the external interface and platform, supported institutionally.
The analysis highlights key factors. There's capability, offset by added mass and complexity.
Analyzing established architectures and exploring alternative pathways for modernizing machine guns. On the left,
Welcome to this comparison. On the left, we have the M240 series, a familiar external interface. And on the right, analyzing the total system requirements for the M240 and the PKM. Note the differences in ammunition burden and supply chain logistics. The M240 and the PKM represent distinct approaches to machine gun design, each with specific total system burden considerations.
The M240B style machine gun, with a bare weapon mass of 27.6 pounds, represents only a portion of the total system burden.
optical array, battery and support electronics, mounting interface and user controls.
The infographic demonstrates the stacking of military burdens. Base weapon, ammunition, and sighting equipment, the foundation.
The PKM series machine gun represents a specific weapon burden. The additional icons indicate the wider ammunition and support load required.
The simulation shows personnel status as ready.
Vehicles are being resupplied.
The system is now fully operational.
Evans. The M240 and PKM series machine guns are displayed in a clean, analytical environment. Vehicle platform.
Analyzing the M240 and the PKM, we compare their standalone mass to their full operational system weight and battlefield mobility. The analyst. Here we compare two key systems, the M240 series and the PKM series, examining their tactical burden and operational roles. The M240 series provides robust access and balance, while the PKM series excels in support interface and mobility.
Ergonomic stock zone. General control access zone. Adjustable support interface. Feed mechanism.
The PKM features a laminated stock and a pistol grip. Note the folding bipod and the carrying handle balance area.
Analyzing the human factors trade-off, we assess comfort and access. The carried burden and support interface. The M240 family platform variant serves various roles. Note the alternate control interfaces and ground roll symbol. The PKM series platform exhibits a versatile lineage, branching into portable, supported, and vehicle-oriented roles.
Understanding the human factors of an operation requires integrating training, logistics, and institutional knowledge.
The M240 and PKM offer distinct human factor profiles. Let's examine the trade-offs of burden and familiarity in this environment.
Analyzing the optimal balance between asset experience and training proficiency. Observe the impact on operational readiness.
Analyzing the M240 and PKM, we see distinct differences in service life and institutional reliability based on human factor data. Welcome to the Evidence Studio. Today we're examining the M240 and PKM, focusing on manufacturer claims, testing data, and operational reliability. Analyzing military data reveals official details and manufacturer specifications. Service history provides the M240B, an example of long service reliability. Note the precision engineering and emission. This comparison highlights the critical balance between the M240B's robust weight and the M240L's lighter construction.
The M240H family offers unmatched reliability for aviation roles, with an advanced lightweight receiver and specific aviation mount point.
This M240B style weapon demonstrates superior reliability and exceptional long service life. Note the reinforced feed system.
The PKM series machine gun, renowned for its reliability and lightweight design, continues broad service.
The infographic highlights a critical gap in data. We have M240 benchmarks and PK family. Long service, coupled with intelligent procurement and multi-role adoption, builds institutional confidence. M240B service. U.S. Army and Navy procurement. Ongoing support.
The PKM series, a pillar of international service since 1961, continues to evolve.
The M240 exhibits strong institutional evidence. The PKM has a qualified, documented reputation. We conclude with a neutral no winner. The M240 series, a staple in many arsenals, provides reliable firepower. We'll examine its... The M240 and PKM are cornerstones of support. Let's look at their unique roles. Understanding procurement is crucial. The M240 series machine gun stands as a testament to manufacturing longevity, with its origins rooted in the 1981 factory milestone. Analyzing procurement factors requires careful consideration of both the initial purchase price and the total lifecycle cost.
M240 series machine gun, PKM series machine gun, training, inventories, production arrangements, platform interfaces, institutional support.
Analyzing the path from historical investment through production, training, and compatibility, we arrive at the choice between modernization or full replacement. Analyzing the M240 and PKM series machine guns, we examine their shared mechanical families and upgrade pathways. Observe the receiver assembly and barrel of each unit. Analyzing the lifecycle value of the lifecycle of M240 and PKM series reveals key distinctions in the M240 series, a design compromise of weight and rate of fire. The PKM, an aging system that Analyzing the limitations, we see the M240's mass burden and legacy interface contrast with the PKization ceiling.
Portions. The M240B style machine gun displayed here has a mass limitation of 27.6 pounds. Note
Notice the initial gains. However, as complexity rises, modernization returns begin to flatten significantly. The M240 Legacy Core Silhouette features a standardized interface layer. This design allows no modification or accessory mounting.
documented lineage, qualified evidence, abstract information representation.
Analyzing the legacy architecture of the M240 and the PKM series, examining specific design elements and their impact on modern requirements.
The modernization cost curve rises sharply, while the benefit curve flattens. The threshold is at the point of institutional disruption.
The original requirement, as established here, differs significantly from the current mission requirement. Note the disparity. The M240 and PKM offer different profiles. Weight is a clear limitation for the M240. Analyzing the legacy value against the modernization burden. Consider proven architecture and logistics versus mission mismatch. Analyzing the M240 series on the left against the PKM series on the right, we consider their proven value and accumulated constraints. Analyzing future needs is crucial for our operational framework. Digital integration and robust industrial resilience. The M240 and PKM, while robust, represent past limitations. Examining their historical data, the M240 and PKM series represent distinct approaches to medium machine guns. While both offer robust firepower, let's examine their mobility and logistics. Unloaded M240B, 27.6 pounds. M240L, modernization comparison. The M240B, an unloaded model designed for educational military visualization, is shown in a clean studio. The PKM series offers qualitative portability and family continuity within the specialized platform branch. The published quantitative data confirms our assessment, while the qualitative documentation aligns. The M240 series and the PKM series machine guns exist within distinct but equally mature logistics ecosystems. The scenarios illustrate requirements across human mobility, platform endurance, modern interfaces, and the existing logistics ecosystem.
The analysis reveals the outcome is not a simple win or loss. It's a calculated balance of requirements, needs to...
The M240 and the PKM represent key trade-offs in infantry support. While different in origin, analyzing the lineage from the M240 to the PKM series reveals a crucial crossroads in modernization, informing our future tactical requirements. Welcome. Today, we stand between the M240 series and the PKM series. These weapons represent distinct legacies and institutional fit.
M240 series and PKM series, equal scale in an engineering studio, unloaded, shared general purpose role, distinct design themes, robustness and portability.
Welcome to the Educational Equipment Family Core. From the center, we see training, ammunition, spare parts. The M240 machine gun, originating in the late 1970s, has evolved through numerous variants.
Analyzing the M240B and the lighter M240L, we see material science creating a 5-pound reduction in weight.
The PKM series machine gun, shown here unloaded, represents a shared lineage. The M240 and PKM represent distinct engineering families with a shared core principle. The analysis indicates a need for increased emphasis on industrial resilience and seamless digital integration in future platforms. The M240 on your left has been a reliable staple for decades. Over here, the different design for velocity. The M240 series and PKM series represent convergent military engineering. Despite separate origins, they share key design lessons. Analyzing the engineering trade-offs of the M240 and PKM reveals a balanced history of requirements. The M240 series and the PKM series represent critical milestones in infantry machine guns, standing as equals in their historical significance.